then she has to deal with finding out that her baby gets stolen. I mean, that's a long, epic adventure for poor Amy. It's a lot to put one woman through. At the very end, though, I think the coolest thing in the world is, as much as people wanted to try to say she was going to fall for the doctor, she and Rory were the first married couple to travel with the doctor. And to leave your husband for another guy would have been cheesy of her. And she didn't think of her doctor friend in that way. She never stopped loving her husband. Spoiler alert, if you haven't seen this. At the end of their time with the doctor, we lose Rory to the Weeping Angels, who are a cool invention of Steven Moffat. And when she finds out that all she has to do is allow herself to be taken by them as well, and she'll end up in the past with him, she gives up her adventuring, exciting life with the doctor to go with her husband, because that's who she loves, and she's going to take that chance. And that is hugely strong, really, really hugely strong, I think.